Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download files from Thingiverse and take it through all the way to having a 3D printed model of the same. So on your search engine, just search Thingiverse and you select the first option there. If you click this first option, this will take you to this amazing platform where you will have a bunch of things you can 3D print. So for today's video, we are just going to print a lion. So go ahead and search lion on the search bar on this platform. You'll have a bunch of options presented to you. So here you'll have to select one which will not require a lot of support and also won't have a lot of overhangs, because you might end up spending a lot of material on support. So for example, this one which was uploaded by Chris is the best fit for this video, because it won't have a lot of overhangs, and it has a flat surface there which we can put on the build plate. So here you can download the STL file, or you can just download all files. As that one downloads, please do check the license, because most of the files here, they don't allow for commercial use. Some they do allow for commercial use. Once the download is complete, please go ahead and open it or extract it. And if you do have a default slicer installed in your system or in your PC, this you can just go ahead and open it directly. For me, I have a Prusa slicer installed in my PC. Then I can just open it directly using the Prusa slicer. As it opens on the Prusa slicer, please just do check the orientation there, so that you ensure the flat surface is the one which is being attached on the build plate there. And we need to scale it up a little bit, just to ensure we have the correct size, or the size we want. Just click that padlock sign icon there. This will give you the freedom to change the values on X, Y, and Z direction, where you can just change them independently. But if the padlock is not checked, then you will have to scale it up proportionately. So here, always be careful not to have high values which might go outside the print area. Though you'll have a warning there showing that whatever you want to print now will be outside the print bed or the print area. That warning is in hand because it helps guide you on how far you can go. So once that is done, you can go ahead and lock it again in that position. This one looks good, though it is a big print and it might take many hours. So here we want to select the type of printer we are going to use. So for me, I'll be using i3 MK3S and MK3S Plus, but I'm going to use 0.8 nozzle. Though don't worry, if you do have a 0.4 nozzle diameter, you can as well go ahead and slice with that. So I'll take 0.4 millimeters quality. Then the type of material here, I'll use generic PLA. Then for this print, we don't need strength that much, so we'll select 0.5% infill, not 0.5 but 5% infill. Then go ahead and slice that. If you do have 0.4, though that will take longer to finish the print, but still okay, because for me I have 0.8 and it is taking roughly 11 hours. On this floating window, also you can check or you can inspect the print to see areas where you might have overhangs, and there is information there showing you the areas where you'll be spending a lot of material. So here we have perimeters, we have the first layer and all that. So this one looks okay. I can go ahead and export it on my SD card as I transfer it to the printer. I normally save it in a way that I have the grams of material also indicated on that SD card, just for reference purposes. Now here we can start our print, and you can see it's going on well. To support this channel, please do subscribe, and if you do have any question, please let me know in the comment section. So this will take a while to finish, but I'm using orange PLA filament. This is good for bright colors. You can see our print is done and it looks amazing. Thank you for watching this video. Please let me know if you do have a question on the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.